Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I'm going to talk to you about SafelinkU. Now, this is a link shortening service that you can also earn money from if somebody comes along and clicks your links. Now, I'm going to discuss this strategy overall, show you some of the negative aspects of using these types of services so that you can really understand whether this is going to be a good fit for your own business and for you to actually make money online. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby, this is Scroll Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell if you're interested in these types of videos where I discuss all aspects of making money online, especially my particular favorite, which is affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the Scroll Nomads. I've got a completely free bootcamp there for you, and it'll get you started on your journey to building a real business online straight away. Basically, I'm just going to jump to the payout rates. What this is telling you is that you can earn upwards of $10 if somebody comes along and clicks your link over 1,000 times if you're in Germany, $9.20 if you're in Kuwait, and so on. I'm in the UK. I potentially could have $8.20 if I get 1,000 clicks on my particular link. So you've got to get traffic for this, or you're not going to get any money whatsoever. If I just come inside, this is where I want to kind of show you. Usually these types of websites have got these very similar dashboards. You have an overall dashboard where it tells you all your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings here into all of these different platforms: PayPal, Payoneer, Tether, Litecoin, bank transfer, OVO. You can see there's lots of different ways. And by the way, you can join this for free, guys, if you wanted to come along and do that. You can actually invite your friends and earn money. You can get a bonus and 10% of your friends' earnings. Then you have all of your links here. You have some tools here. What you can do with these types of services, you can have a quick link, which is just a one-off link. You can have a mass shrinker, which is going to shrink many links, and you can have a website script where you can tell it what words on your website you want to transform into links that people click, and they're going to go ahead and see some ads where you can make some money. Then you can come down to your referrals, how many referrals you've got, your payments, notifications. There's a forum on here. There is a little bot for Telegram, and then there's support. So that's basically what the left hand side is. But here's where I actually want to get into what the links are doing. Now this is a link I'm trying to share. Just go ahead and do this again and paste it in here and just shorten the link, and it's going to give me a shortened link. Now this is going to allow me to share straight to Facebook, WhatsApp or Twitter, but I'm just going to copy it. And I'm going to show you what you actually get when you share one of these links. Now, this is your audience that are going to see this link when you go ahead and share it. Now, if anybody clicks on this link, they're going to end up going and seeing this. Now, remember, the site I wanted to share with them is this one here. Now, I got no control over what they see. So anything on this site, I have no idea whether it's in the right language, what kind of things are popping up. There's an install thing here. It's blocking notifications in the toolbar here. There's a download button here. There's nothing on here that allows me to click off this feeling safe. There's a right at the bottom here, there's a free browser extension install. Everything on here doesn't feel like I can actually click off. If I just click here to continue, it takes me over to this page, which is in Indonesian, and I'm just still not at the actual page that I wanted to get to. This notifications blocked up there again. It's trying to spam me with more and more links, and I'm still not over at the BBC page. So guys, when you actually consider using these types of link shortening services, this is what you're actually offering to your audience. So you've got to think about this very carefully. If you were to put this script on your website and every word that you wanted to actually hyperlink, they click on and then they come across these types of things, do you think they're likely to come back to your website and see any more of the ads that you do think they're actually applicable to them on your site? I don't think personally. I would not go anywhere near some of these services, especially in this case SafelinkU. I'm not really bothered how much it pays out. I'm more about the quality of the information I'm offering my audience, because I know that's worth way more to me than actually going ahead and making a few dollars here and there when people click my links. I'm not quite sure who the audience for this is. Clearly they must make money on, because there's thousands of these websites online. They're not my audience, I'm afraid. So that's just a quick review of SafelinkU. You can obviously go ahead and check that out, SafelinkU.com. I wouldn't actually recommend it. What I would recommend is, if you really want to start building a business online, you would use my own strategy, which is affiliate marketing, where you get paid for selling other people's products. Again, you can share links, but with those links, you know exactly what product they're actually going to be advertising. If you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. we've got a completely free affiliate bootcamp there for you to get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.